In turning, the surface finish on the part is determined by the nose radius of the tool and the feed rate. The higher the feed rate, the poorer the finish, and the larger the nose radius, the better the finish. The Rmax, or maximum roughness height, can be theoretically calculated using this formula. The actual roughness will also depend on the tool wear and vibrations while cutting the part, and will usually be different from the theoretically calculated value. The RA, or mean roughness height, is calculated roughly using this formula. This animation shows the effect of feed rate on surface finish. The part on the left and on the right are both cut with the same nose radius. The part on the left is cut at a higher feed rate and therefore has a poorer finish. The part on the right is cut at a lower feed rate and therefore has a better finish. You'll also notice that the part on the left is done faster because of the higher feed rate.